know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So I'm in Spanish Town and I'm grabbing some things from Dashane, and I'm always at Dashane's stall, and he's located in Spanish Town, and I can say that his stuff are always top produce. As you can see, this is the stall, and I think I'll be grabbing some yellow yam, some sweet potato, some Irish. I'll just be grabbing a few stuff from Rashane today. So come on and check him out. He's in Spanish Town, right across from Pace Supermarket. Alright? So today I'm here. I'm also getting some watermelon from this lovely gentleman. I've always been buying watermelon from him, and I must say his watermelons, they're always sweet. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I can get this one?
Yeah.
And he's in Spanish Town, so you can check him out. What's your name?
Rashane.
Rashane? Yeah. So this is Rashane. And as you can see, this is where he's located in Spanish Town. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using to make my Ital stew. Coconut, Irish potato, onion, sweet pepper, tomato, pumpkin, yellow yam, sweet potato, scallion, I have thyme, I have garlic, I have green bananas, and I have these okra and spinach that I just got from my garden. Oh, and I also have carrot also. Okay, so yeah, these are the list of ingredients that I'll be using to make my version of Jamaican Ital stew. Ensure that all your grown provisions are properly washed. The red peas that I'll be using today to add to my Ital stew, and this was just washed. I will be blending the coconut, but I'll not be using water. I will be using the water from the peas that was already boiled. So now I am going to blend my coconut. So now that it has been blended, I'm just going to get my strainer, and then I'm just going to strain this into the pot that I'll be using. So now I am pouring my coconut milk in. So these are all my ingredients, and they're cut up in small pieces, and now I am going to put them into the pot. So I just added the banana, the yam, the sweet potato, the Irish potato. I just added these to the pot, so I'm just going to cover and let it cook for about 30 minutes first, and then I add the rest of the ingredients. So ensure not to add too much water and not to add too little water also, and you have to constantly keep stirring so that the food don't stick to the bottom of the pot.
So to my pot, I'll be adding a small teaspoon of ground turmeric. Just to give it some flavor. I'll taste it as I go, and I mean, if I want a little bit more, I'll just add it to it. But for now, this is perfect. So now I'm just adding the remaining ingredients. Wow, look at the combination, and you need to smell my kitchen. So we're just gonna cover the pot and let this cook. Also, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Yep, that should do it. A tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Just gonna mix everything together. And just let this cook and simmer down. I'll be adding some pimento seeds. Not a lot, as you know, pimento is strong there. You want it to overpower the taste. So that's fine. While my ital stew is simmering down, just follow me to the back of my garden. I'm just going to grab a lettuce. Wow. This is the biggest lettuce that I have ever planted. Like, seriously, trying to pull this from the earth was like a task. So this is the finished product of my ital stew. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys like my recipe. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Remember to drop me a note and let me know what you would like to see me cook next.
Tastes nice.
You like it? You like ital stew? My gosh, she almost finished hers. Even though there's no meat in it, you like it?
Yeah.
Really?